Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and welcome to our new tutorial. We're going to talk about cmux terminal. In the previous tutorial, I told you about the Ghostty, but now we're going to talk about the cmux. So let's get started with that. Okay, the cmux is built on the top of the Ghostty. It's an open source terminal. If you guys visit their GitHub repo, then you guys will see they have around 21k stars and they are good to go. And by the way, this is specially designed terminal for AI coding agents that I told you in the previous tutorial that Ghostties are good to go, lightweight, and you can customize it, but it is not specifically designed for the AI coding agents. But now this is specially designed for the AI coding agents. So guys, now we can move toward our installation process. So for the installation, you can just click on the download for the Mac, and from here you can it will start the downloading. It's around, I'm not sure what's the size, maybe 100 megabyte or less. You can check it out. Okay. And here you guys will see their resources: Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn for the updates. And here we have our cmux, and already I have my different tabs, projects there, and they also have an update. Later on I will update my cmux terminal. So if I share the things, and the first thing is that in the Ghostty we have horizontal tabs, but there we have a vertical tabs for different projects. Like you can say that it's like a VS Code or Open Code, or just you can say that Claude Code or Claude Desktop, where you can switch the different tabs. Okay. Or Windows, you can say that. Okay. And it works, it consumes the same Ghostty file, so that's why I didn't modify any configuration file, and I'm using the Ghostty. If I just click the command comma, and it's showing us the options. In the Ghostty we have the, what I meant to see is that config file we need to add it, but here we have a GUI interface. From there you can customize all the things, even your keys or what you want to do. Okay, if I want to create a new tab for my project, just command N, and here you guys will see it's a new there. Just give me a second, I need to, yes, N, and here's my new window, or you can say that new tab there. Okay, and if I want to open up the new tab there, or new window, split the window, simply command D, and here's another, and command shift D for the bottom down, and here we have. So I just go back, cd dot. Actually this is my main Clustova project directory, and if I go to the cd Clustova API, so here I will in the API, and this is for my cd dot dot, again cd Clustova web, and here you will see the web directory, and cd dot dot. Okay, and actually here I have a WordPress plugin live for the Clustova. You can visit the WordPress official directory, and for the SVN update I can share the commands from there. Okay, and from here I can switch to the cd Clustova. Just give me a second, guys. Clustova ls, okay, cd Clustova AI writer, and this will be my WordPress plugin. And other things are that from here you can also get the browser. Let's say if I use the npm run dev, okay, now it's running on the localhost 3000. Just click on the browser tab and just say localhost 3000, and you guys are good to go. And from here you can get the whole preview of the thing. So in a one window you are good to go to manage all the things there. Okay, now other thing is that you can also rename the tabs, like I'm just saying Clustova web API. Okay, next if I say Clustova web, okay, and here I will write WordPress plugin. Okay, and this is WordPress live live SVN. So it is easy to manage the things. And if you want to create another tab, just select that, Command T, and it will open up the new tab there. Like this is from here you are running the web app, you are running the node server, npm run dev, and from here if you want to see the git status, and you guys are good to go. Okay, and if you want to switch between different projects, just simply Command 1, Command 2, Command 3, and you guys are good to go. And if you want to switch between different terminals, simple Command and arrow keys, Option and combined. It's a combined Command, Option, and arrow keys. Next, if you see here, now I am using the arrow keys to focus on the specific terminal without touching the mouse, because as I already mentioned that developers love to use the keyboard keys to work in a flow and avoid the confusions. So here's my small overview on this, that they have built a specialized terminal for AI coding agents. And one other thing is that if you want to, let's say, test another thing, Control N, and here I'm going to just rename the workspace, and I will say multiple coding agents. Okay, and Shift-D, then Command Shift-D, Command Shift-D, and we are good to go. Here I will say open code, and here I will say the grok, and here I will say the cmd command code, and here I will say the Claude, and we are good to go. And if you want to perform simultaneously tasks with different AI models, you are good to go without switching to another. And if you want to run the multiple AI agents, then this is a good option to use that cmux. And one more thing is that it's a very performance optimized terminal application, and you guys are good to go. So guys, see you in another tips and tricks tutorials. And by the way, I'm also going to demonstrate the grok, but I will upload that video first. Later on I will upload that video. So guys, see you in another tutorial. Have a good day. Bye bye.